Do you know what day it is tomorrow? It's Easter. We get ready by decorating eggs. We dye them the colors of spring flowers. See how I wrote my name on this one? I'm so excited that I can hardly sleep. Finally, it's Easter morning. And guess what? The Easter Bunny left us baskets of candy. Jelly beans are my favorite. The Easter Bunny also hid our eggs all over the house. We hunt everywhere for them. I find an egg in the bathtub. There's even one in Scout's bowl. But I can't find my Emma egg anywhere. Finally, Mom says I need to get ready for church. There's an egg in my shiny new shoes. There's an egg in my fancy Easter hat. But still no Emma egg. Where could it be? At church, we sing, pray, and listen to the Easter story. It's a story about Jesus. My family believes that God sent Jesus, God's Son, to save the world. But not all people like Jesus. Some of those people killed him. My church believes that Jesus rose from the dead. We celebrate his new life on Easter. Mom says that's why eggs are part of Easter. Eggs stand for new life too. After church, the whole family comes to our house. My relatives all bring food for Easter dinner. And Grandma has made lots of kulich. That's a sweet Easter bread. Grandma says it's from Russia. Finally, our beliefs are stuffed. Then we all look for my Emma egg. We can't find it anywhere. Grandpa says maybe Scout ate it for his Easter dinner. Mom sends me to bed after everyone goes home. She says egg hunting will have to wait until tomorrow. Then, can you guess what I found under my covers? That Easter bunny sure is tricky. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any fresh videos.